Hey guys, welcome back to another CPU video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can lower your CPU. The last video which I did on this topic, it wasn't very detailed, so I'm going to go into more detail in this video. So first up, what you want to go and do, you want to go, give me a second. Right, sorry about that. Right, so you want to go into here and type in power, edit power plan, the same as last time. Okay, so right, so click type in edit power plan. From here you want to go and on the top over here you want to go and click on power options, which will bring you over to here. If you don't have the high performance, you want to go and like in the last video, you want to go and create you want to go and click on here and click create a power plan. So from here you want to go onto and click onto high performance. You should monitor your CPU on this to see if it makes a difference, because as you can see, as you saw for a brief second, it did say that it may use more energy, also says down here. So it just says everything, what it does is down here. So you can also go and change the plan name. I'm just going to name it high performance and then click on next. From here you want to go and click on create. And here you go. You now want to go and click on this, and there you go. So that is why in the last video you couldn't actually select high performance. You had to go and make a new power plan, and then from there you had to go and select the high performance from here. Because as you can see, if I go onto the power options, this is now activated, so I'm not on the balanced one. So now you just want to go over to task manager, just monitor your CPU. As you can see, for me it's still like fairly the same. Right, so let's go move over to the next step. Right, so just like in the last video, you want to go onto Task Manager and then click on Startup and just disable whatever you can on here. But be careful, because go back onto Processes, and from here, if I basically take the system, so if I highlight the system, then I right click onto here. Onto the thing, it does move quite fast if you have a lot of stuff running. Go down to open file location, and as you can see here, this is in the C directory on system 32. So this will be you do need to have this open, so absolutely do not end the task, otherwise it could mess up your computer. Because this is what helps the computer to run. But for example, if you just go over to, let me see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. No, it's gone. There we go. So if I go onto Steam and then I open file location on this, as you can see, this is just basically Steam. So you can go and end task on this one. However, it's not doing too much. So I'm just going to leave it for now. Right, so maybe you have a high CPU because you have unwanted applications which you don't use anymore. So what you want to go and do is go over onto Start, click on Settings. From here, go onto Apps. And then this is all of your apps on your computer. So as you can see, I have a lot. So you just go through here, just to see what you need and what you don't. Right, so for example, what don't I need? Um, for example, I don't use game loop. So what you want to do is just you can go and click on here and then click uninstall. Click on yes. Uh, okay. So if you uninstall game loop, just go and or anything which pops up as this, just go and run along with it. You want to go on and install it. So click on uninstall, click yes. It should come up with here. Go and click uninstall. From here, it may ask you your feedback. So for example, I'm just going to click on high CPU and RAM usage, and it sometimes gave me an error where I can't be able to play the game. So after you have selected whatever you want, click uninstall, wait for it to uninstall, and oh, shwabam, there we go. So as you can see, it's now gone. It's also gone from my desktop. So just go through here. Oh, I just realized I I hit for my editing software which I used to use, Hit Film Express, kind of gave up on me, so I did remove it from my desktop, as you can see, but I did not uninstall it. So that could be another issue why your CPU is too high. You thought you deleted some stuff, but like uninstalled some stuff, but instead you just deleted them from wherever they were. So I'm gonna go. This is 1.8 gigabytes, so I'm definitely gonna uninstall this. Okay, click on yes once again. Uh, okay. I don't think it's not letting me uninstall this for some reason. Right, I'm gonna deal with this later, but this is what you basically need to do. Okay, so now you can go and close down this. Next, what you want to do is go over to start again and click on control panel, and then it should come up with this. Okay, so you want to go onto programs down here, and then click on programs and features. So here you can see all your programs over here. So for example, let me see if I can actually uninstall Hit Film Express from here. So you want to go and select the thing which you want to uninstall. Once again, it's basically the same thing but on control panel. I'm just going to see if I can uninstall it. Okay, no. Let me just quickly do something. Okay, never mind. I'll deal with that later then. So again, just go and scroll through here. I don't think I see anything which I want to uninstall. Okay, so after you are done, I'm going to go and close down control panel. Once again, go over to to start, click on settings. From here, you want to go over to system, and then go to notifications and actions. From here, you want to go and turn off. So if you have get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows, you want to go and turn that off. Just because it can make your computer run worse. If you however if you have the get the notification from apps and other senders turned on, you can go down to here and you can see all your programs which will send you notifications. If you don't have if you don't want a program to send you notifications, just go and turn it off. However, if you want to go and take it further, you can go and turn off the entire thing, which I already have turned off. Okay, so next you want to go and close this down and then click on start again, like always, and then click on event viewer and just press enter, and then this window should pop up. I've actually never used this before, so I've no idea what is going on here. Okay, so you want to go and expand the Windows logs folder. Click on application, and now over here you can see the application events. Alright, so next what you want to do is click on you want to go over to the actions and click filter current log, which will bring this up. You want to go and now the event level, you want to go and click on error, critical, and warning. From here, you want to go and click OK, and now here it will pop up with errors, warnings, and critical stuff. So now we can go and look into why these events are happening. Okay, so you now want to go and do the same for system. As you can see, we do have a few warnings here. However, you will want to go onto filter current log again, and then, again click error, critical, and warning, and then click OK. And here we are. We got a lot more warnings on system. So you can also go and click on a random event. For example, if I go and click on this one here, you can see the details on the warning or error. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to go onto the event ID. So let's just go once again take this one. So now what you want to do is you want to go over to a browser. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to go into here and type in I think it's like, oh yeah, you want to go and click you want to go and type in, not click, event ID, and then whatever the ID for the event is. So for me it's 10016, and then go and click enter. From here okay, so now you want to go and click on this one up here, and it should bring you over to this article about the this event. So what this article helps you is to find a workaround the 10016 events. So for example, as you can see here, there are a few. I got 4, which I can see, well, a lot more than 4 now actually. So just go and read through here. So here you have the symptoms, the cause, and here's the workaround. So just go and read through this article and see if that helps. Okay, so now you want to go over to start again and then type in services. Click on enter, and then this window should pop up. Okay, so over here, just go and search for the bits service. So where is it? Oh, here it is. The background intelligent transfer service bits, and as you can see, it's not running. So what you want to go and do is just go over onto properties. Okay, so from here you want to go over to startup and then click disabled, click apply, and then click OK. Also go and close this down. From here you might want to go and restart your PC. If you got the word for it. If you still do encounter issues, so you want to go onto start once again, go over onto settings, click on update and security. Oh, apparently I got an update. Okay, I will do that in a second. Um, you want to go over to recovery and then click on reset this PC. If you click on get started, here you'll have two options: keep my files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, and or remove everything, which removes all your personal files, apps and settings. If you do want to use this feature, I would suggest you do keep a backup of your personal files. And yeah, I hoped in a bit more detail to lower your CPU. And once again, make sure you leave a like, go down below if you have any other problems, and go and subscribe if you don't so you don't miss out on the next video. And oh yeah, go and check out the two videos on the screen. The left one will be previous like help tutorial type of video. The other one will just be another video which you may want to go and watch. I will see you in the next one. Peace.